You're losing money every single month on your drop shipping business, and you probably don't even know it. Most drop shippers are paying $49 to $79 a month just to access their supplier platform. That's before they even sold a single product. CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, they all have the same version of a paid plan. You need to unlock the good stuff. What if I told you there's a platform that charges $0 per month, ships to over 200 countries, and connects directly to your Shopify store in minutes, and you can start making money on it today for free? It's called TeemDrop. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to set it up, and show you a real profit example so you know this isn't just hype. Quick background on me. I've been in print-on-demand and drop shipping space for over 8 years, 135,000 products sold, and over $1.5 million in revenue. I tested platforms so you don't have to waste your time. TeemDrop reached out to me, but I only talk about the stuff I actually use. So let me walk you through what I found. Let me break down why this matters. Here's how TeemDrop stacks up against the platforms you are probably already using. TeemDrop gives you everything that the paid plans on CJ and Zendrop offer, and they don't charge you a monthly fee to access it. That's real money back in your pocket, especially when you're just getting started. You can see the whole breakdown on everything too as well when you compare each one of these platforms. Okay, let me actually show you the platform. I'm logged in right now. Here's what you're looking at when you first sign up. Right here on the main dashboard, you got your orders, your store connections, and your product catalog. Clean, nothing overwhelming. This is the sourcing section. You can literally search for any product you want to sell. I'll search for something simple. Look at these options. You've got product photos, pricing, shipping times, reviews, everything you need to evaluate whether a product is worth selling or not. When you click in, you see the unit cost, estimated shipping times, and available variants. This is where you figure out your profit margins before you list it. No surprises. And here's the Shopify connection. You paste your store URL, authorize the app, and you are synced. Takes about 90 seconds. And after that, products you import here show up directly in your Shopify catalog. Really cool. Now let's talk about the part everyone actually cares about, making money. Let me walk you through a real life example on how this looks. $12.69 profit on a product that actually costs you less than $8 to deliver. And that's before you even factor in the subscription fee you're not paying every month. If you were on Zendrop's Plus plan, that's another $49 a month you'd be spending. That's almost 4 extra sales per month just to break even on the membership. Now scale that. 50 sales a month, that's over $600 in profit. 100 sales, over $1,200 in profit. The math works, and it works even better when you are not throwing money at a monthly subscription. Now I know what some of you are thinking. RJ, if it's free, what's the catch? Good question. TeemDrop makes money when you make money. They take a small margin on the product cost, which is how every drop shipping supplier works. No hidden fee, no bait and switch for a paid tier. Free means free. And before you say, well, I've never heard of them, they ship to 200 plus countries. They have a full US warehouse for fast domestic deliveries, and they handle fulfillment automatically once your store is connected. This isn't some sketchy startup. This is a real infrastructure play. The platform is perfect for 3 types of people. Number 1, you are brand new to drop shipping and you don't want to spend $50 a month before you made a single sale. Number 2, you're already running a store on Zendrop or CJ and you're tired of fees eating up your margins. Number 3, you are a print-on-demand seller like me who wants to add general products to your store without building a whole second operation. If you're any of those 3, TeemDrop is worth 5 minutes of your time to set up. I've put a sign-up link in the description below. It's my referral link, which means if you use it, you might unlock a bonus. Check out the description for whatever promo they are running right now. If you want to go deeper onto the product research side of things, figuring out what to sell before you even touch the platform, I've got a free resource in the description for that too. That's the stuff that actually moves the needle. If this video saved you from wasting another month paying for a platform that you didn't need, drop a like. And if you're building a drop shipping store right now, subscribe because I'll drop videos every week on exactly this stuff. If you want to learn how to build an AI website within 15 minutes, watch this video right here next, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.